If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in intermediate level where we are building concepts on hyperbola. So today we will see different types of standard forms in hyperbola and its related formulas. There are 4 types basically. Okay, then let's see this. So different types of the standard form of the hyperbola. This first type we have already seen. So let us see the different formulas. I have given it here, and then we will try to find out different other types. There are 2 types, and little extension like your ellipse will make it 4 types. So the first one is this one. This was the equations. Minus sign is before y. So this type of hyperbola, you have seen this one. What is transverse axis? This one is known as the transverse axis, which is length is 2a, conjugate is this one 2b. Vertices you have seen, foci you have seen, directrices also you have seen, eccentricity formula, length of lattice rectum, extreme points of the lattice rectum. This is b square by a, this is minus b square by a. So plus minus. So you take this combination, you will get 4 points. Plus, with this plus you will get 2, with this minus also you will get these 2. So total 4 points you will get, L, L dash, L1 and L1 dash. All these extreme points of the lattice rectum. Now if you come to type 2, what is happening here? The minus sign is not in front of y now, the minus sign is in front of x. This side is 1, that is standard format, but the minus sign is before x, not y. So the hyperbola shifts its origin. Orientation it shifted. So it will be, now you can see your transverse axis will come to y axis. So everything in transverse axis will become now 2b, this b dash, and your conjugate axis will be 2a, this one. A dash. Vertices will now become V and V dash. Foci will now become 0, B. So this you have to think. From here this distance is B. From here it is B. That you have to remember. Whatever distance is from origin, that is its origin, you don't say. Here origin is the center. You can say it's center, but there is no meaning of center. So the distance from here to vertex is A, and from here to foci is A. That you have to always remember. Whatever orientation you can put it in that way. Foci directrice will be now, this one will be one directrice, this one will be another directrice. So this will be at the distance BE from your origin, you can say B by E. So one is at plus B by E, one is at minus B by E. Eccentricity formula, only B and E have changed. Whichever sign, minus sign is there, that will come before it. Earlier it was before B square minus, so it is coming just above. Here it is A, minus is before A. That's why it is coming here. In case of ellipse, whichever was greater, that was concerned. But in case of ellipse, which one is positive and negative, that is our concern. Lattice rectum is again 2a square by b. Extreme point is here same, it will be a square by b, these extreme points, and this is be. So plus minus be, and then plus minus a square by b. Now type 3, if your origin, suppose this center is now shifted to hk. So this is your axis, this is your, but your hyperbola will be here. Which axis will be parallel to your x-axis and y-axis. So this point is now 0, 0, which was earlier 0, 0, now it is became hk. So everything will be shifted to hk, that's it. Transverse axis length will remain same, because from here to here it is 2a always. From conjugate axis it is always 2b, but the vertex, this vertex was from here it was a, so from origin it will be h plus a. This was minus a, but so this is h, so again minus a, so it is h minus a. Foci it was plus minus AE, so from H it will be H plus minus AE. One will be H plus AE, one will be H minus AE. Directrix it was at x equal to A by E, now it will be H plus minus. H plus A by E is this one, H minus A by E is this one. Eccentricity is equal to 1 plus B square by A square, that we have seen. Length of lattice rectum remains same, extreme points will be same. Your AE will become H plus A minus AE, and instead of Y it will be K plus minus, because this point will come h plus minus a, and this will come k is already there, then k plus b square by e. And if it is coming below, then k minus. So similar concept is here type 4. The sign, minus sign is before x, orientation changes, but the center is not at origin, now it is shifted at hk. So something of this fashion, lengths are remaining same, and these are instead of plus minus b, that is k plus minus b. Instead of plus minus b, that is k plus b or k minus b. That one you can see, it is y plus minus b by e, it was k plus minus b by e, it will be. Eccentricity will be remain same lattice rectum, and these points, extreme points are also, it will be h, it will be k only. So this was so these formulas you need not to remember, you remember only one and know the basic characteristics from where to where the differences were. So whatever orientation they give, you can accordingly measure, you can write the answer. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.